Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So as you can see, I've already done my eyebrows off camera. So I'm going to be going in with an eyeshadow base using the LA Girl Pro Concealer and putting it on my eyelids. And then I'm going to be blending that in. So once that is all blended in, I'm going to be going in with this Makeup Revolution and Patricia Bright palette in the shade Allspice, and I'm just going to be blending that on my lid in a wing shape gradually. So next I'm going to be using the shade Yes Peaches, and I definitely dropped the palette, but I'm going to be blending that on top of Allspice in a winged shape. Next, I'm just going to be going in with a black shade and just deepening up that crease in general, and just adding some depth to the whole look before I cut the crease. To blend in the black a little better, I'm just adding some allspice and going over that. Now I'm just going to be going in with some micellar water and a clean brush and just wiping off all that excess shadow off my lid. Using a flat brush and some light concealer, I'm just going to be cutting my crease, just stamping and dragging. Now I'm just going to be patting the shade Yes Peaches all over that lid. I'm going to be using the shade Allspice and Black to blend in my cut crease. Now I'm just going to be lining my eyes with some gel eyeliner, and I'm going to be blending that in with a black shade. Now I'm just going to be applying Allspice and Yes Peaches onto my lash line. I'm going to be using this Revlon Ultra Volume Mascara before I put on my lashes. So once I do that, I'm just going to apply lash glue, of course, and stick on my lashes with some lash tweezers and stick those to my real regular lashes. Thank you guys so much for watching my video. Please remember to like, comment, and subscribe for more makeup tutorials.